Number 10. Black holes. The ultimate cosmic traps. Black holes are the universe's version of a monster hiding under your bed. Except this one can swallow entire star systems without even burping. They're born when giant stars collapse under their own weight, creating a singularity, a point of infinite density, like cramming Mount Everest into the size of a pinhead. Their gravity is so intense that not even light can escape, making them invisible cosmic ninjas waiting in the dark. Get too close and you won't simply fall in. The black hole likes to play with its food. You'd be stretched thin by tidal forces in a process called spaghettification, where your feet are pulled harder than your head until you're cosmic taffy. Astronomers gave it a funny name, but trust me, it's not. The real nightmare is that black holes move. Some wander through space like invisible predators, silently drifting until they stumble upon a star or an unlucky planet like ours, and when they eat, they don't do it quietly. As they devour matter, they can shoot out massive jets of radiation brighter than entire galaxies. Imagine something that swallows light, only to vomit it back out 10 times stronger. We don't even know how many exist, possibly millions, lurking unseen in the dark. One could be heading straight for us right now, and we wouldn't know until it's too late. Number 9. Gamma ray bursts. If black holes are the slow burn of space horror, gamma ray bursts are the jump scares. They're the brightest explosions in the universe, so powerful that supernovas look like candles beside them. A single burst releases more energy in seconds than our sun will produce in 10 billion years. If one were ever aimed at Earth, it would be instant extinction. No warning, no escape, just a flash and silence. Gamma ray bursts happen when massive stars collapse or neutron stars collide, firing narrow beams of deadly radiation across galaxies. They're cosmic sniper rifles, traveling near the speed of light. If Earth ever found itself in their sights, our ozone would vaporize, the sky would turn toxic, and life would vanish in days. The scariest part? We'd never even see it coming. Some scientists think one of these bursts may have wiped out ancient life on Earth long before we existed. Space doesn't always hide its monsters. It sometimes fires them directly at you. Number 8. The Boötes Void. The Great Nothing. If black holes are scary because they're invisible, the Boötes Void is terrifying because it's too visible. It's an immense region of nearly empty space, 330 million light-years across, with almost nothing in it. Astronomers call it the Great Nothing, a fitting name for a cosmic void so vast that if our galaxy were inside it, we wouldn't have discovered others until modern times. Looking into it feels like staring at a glitch in reality, as if the universe forgot to fill in the space. Scientists think it formed naturally, a side effect of galaxies clustering elsewhere. But some whisper darker theories. Maybe something, or someone, cleared it out. Maybe it's a scar in the universe's structure itself. Imagine a night sky with no stars, no galaxies, no light. Just endless, silent black. The Boötes Void reminds us that sometimes the scariest thing isn't what hides in the dark. It's the dark itself. Number 7. Rogue planets. Planets are supposed to behave. They should orbit warm stars, spin politely, and let life evolve in peace. Rogue planets don't care. They're worlds flung from their solar systems, drifting alone through eternal darkness, starless, frozen, and forgotten. Astronomers believe there may be more rogue planets than stars in our galaxy. Billions of Earth-sized wanderers glide unseen through the black, unpredictable, and untraceable. Since they emit no light, we only notice them if they pass in front of something brighter. One could be heading toward us right now, and we wouldn't know until it arrived, like a cosmic wrecking ball. Some of these lost worlds might even harbor life. Beneath their frozen surfaces, volcanic heat could keep underground oceans liquid, home to alien creatures evolving in pitch-black seas. Picture life that has never seen a sunrise, entire ecosystems thriving in eternal night. Billions of such haunted planets could be drifting out there, silent and unseen. The universe is littered with cosmic horror stories waiting to bump into us. Number 6. Neutron stars. When massive stars die, they sometimes collapse into neutron stars instead of black holes. And they're no less terrifying. Imagine cramming the sun's mass into a sphere the size of New York. A single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh 1 billion tons. If you drop that on Earth, we wouldn't have an Earth anymore. These neutron stars spin hundreds of times per second, shooting deadly radiation beams like cosmic lighthouses. Step into one of those beams, and your planet is instantly sterilized. Some neutron stars, known as magnetars, have magnetic fields trillions of times stronger than Earth's. They're so strong, they could rip the electrons from your atoms before you even touch their surface. And when two neutron stars collide, they create gravitational waves that ripple through space-time. In that cataclysm, elements like gold and platinum are forged. So, that beautiful jewelry you wear? It was born in an explosion that could destroy worlds. Tiny but apocalyptic, neutron stars remind us that size means nothing when it comes to terror. Number 5. Dark matter and dark energy. 95% of the universe is made of something we can't see or understand. Dark matter acts as an invisible skeleton holding galaxies together. Without it, stars would drift apart. We can't touch it, yet it shapes everything. Then there's dark energy, the mysterious force driving the universe's accelerated expansion. No one knows what it is or where it's taking us. Some theories say it could one day rip apart galaxies, planets, and even atoms in an event called the Big Rip. The real horror is that most of existence is invisible, untouchable, and beyond comprehension. We're like ants, guessing how electricity works while it controls our entire world. Number 4. Deadly comets and asteroids. Sometimes the universe doesn't need monsters. It just throws rocks. Millions of comets and asteroids roam our solar system, some harmless, others civilization-ending. 66 million years ago, one just 10 kilometers wide erased the dinosaurs. Fires raged, tsunamis rose, the sky blackened, and life nearly ended. We still share space with these killers. Scientists track thousands, but not all. In 2019, a city-killer asteroid zipped by at 1/4 the moon's distance, and we noticed 2 days after it passed. If it had hit, cities would have vanished. Comets are worse, faster, harder to track, and often invisible until too late. The dinosaurs' bad luck wasn't unique. Our reset button is still out there, quietly circling. Number 3. Alien life. In 2015, astronomers spotted a star called Tabby's star, behaving oddly. Its light dimmed by up to 22%, far more than any planet or dust cloud could explain. Some speculated it was a Dyson sphere, a colossal structure built by an advanced civilization to capture a star's energy. Imagine aliens building a machine the size of a solar system. Later, scientists proposed more mundane explanations like dust or comets, but none fit perfectly. And even if it wasn't aliens, the thought of half-finished or abandoned megastructures drifting in space is chilling. What kind of civilization builds such things? What happened to them? The idea that alien leftovers could outshine galaxies is unsettling. Alien megastructures are cosmic haunted houses, silent, enormous, and reminders that if the universe has neighbors, they're playing on a level far beyond ours. Number 2. Time warps and relativity. Einstein taught us that time isn't constant. It bends with gravity and speed. Near black holes, time slows to a crawl. Spend an hour near one, and millions of years might pass outside. You could leave Earth for what feels like a day and return to find humanity extinct. Even astronauts on the International Space Station age slightly slower than we do. Now imagine civilizations that mastered faster than light travel. Their sense of time could be completely alien. They might visit Earth, leave, and return 5 minutes later to find 10,000 years gone. Space isn't just vast. It warps reality itself. Number 1. Solar flares and cosmic radiation storms. The sun may look calm, but it's a volatile nuclear engine. At times it lashes out with solar flares powerful enough to cripple satellites and black out continents. In 1859, the Carrington event made telegraphs spark and skies glow bright as day. A repeat today could crash the internet and paralyze global systems. Beyond the sun, cosmic rays streak through space at near light speed, piercing metal, bone, and flesh. Without Earth's magnetic shield, they'd rip DNA apart and fry our nerves. Step beyond our planet, say to Mars, and space feels far less welcoming. That warm sunlight we enjoy? It could, at any moment, decide to end civilization. Comforting thought, isn't it? Thank you for watching and sticking around until the end. We've got plenty more videos coming soon. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out.